Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we are going to do a video on diagnosing issues that are associated with a mass airflow sensor and how to replace or clean the mass airflow sensor on a 2016 Range Rover Landrover Evoque. So chances are, if you guys are watching this video, you guys probably have a check engine light on, and that check engine light probably produced a code that is specific for the mass airflow sensor. If you guys have that, then you guys are pretty lucky because it tells you exactly where to look as far as how to fix your vehicle. Now, normally there's a code that's thrown if the mass airflow sensor, if the readings are off, if the mass airflow sensor has some kind of issue, is broken, is not working, etc., etc. Sometimes it doesn't give you a code. Sometimes you have these issues where your vehicle is either running rough, there's a crank no start, there's a crank, it starts for a second and it dies out. Stalling issues, it has very little power, it doesn't drive good, etc., etc. In those cases where you don't have a code, you have this issue where you would have to try to diagnose what's causing the issue, and the mass airflow sensor is one of those things that could cause that issue. Now, there is a chance you have one of those issues and the mass airflow sensor doesn't do a code, and it's the mass airflow sensor that's causing that issue. You can try cleaning it, you can try replacing it. It's not a very difficult part. For the most part, it's not a very difficult part to get to, especially on this car. As you can see, it's right on top of the air intake tubing. It's two screws that's holding it in. Obviously, sometimes, particularly with European cars, they use Torx. They use different kind of screws that have different heads besides a flat head or a star-shaped Phillips head. You might have to use, in this case, you're going to have to use a special kind, one of these Torx, to actually take the screws off. But once you take those screws off, as far as the top is concerned, the plug is concerned, all you gotta do is just squeeze it, the plug comes off, and the mass airflow sensor will come off. Once it comes off, you could use a mass airflow sensor spray to spray it, or if you guys are changing it out, you guys could change it out. It's very cheap if you guys get it from eBay, Amazon, any of those places. You guys could probably pay like $20-25 for one of these. If you guys go to the dealership, you guys go to AutoZone, any of those places, they'll probably charge you like $140 to $200 for this part. Reason being is, for a lot of people, if you have this issue, it's going to cause issues with the way your vehicle runs, and they suspect that you probably need to replace it immediately, ASAP. And in those cases, you probably just want to just give them the money, get the part, fix this issue. But if you guys are going to do that, definitely probably should try cleaning it out first and then popping it back in, see if that works good. If it clears up whatever the issue that your vehicle has, then chances are that's probably the cause of it, and you're pretty much good as far as the repair for this situation is concerned. Very easy to get to, very easy to take out, especially if you have a flat head or a Phillips screw. But in this case, you don't. But in this case, you could do it yourself. It's easy enough to do it. If it's the problem that's causing your issue, it's very, very easy to take care of. In any case, if you guys have any questions on this video, definitely drop a comment in the comments section. If you guys have a comment on this video, drop a comment. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.